Hey, in this video you will be checking out the best collection of remote control dinosaurs for toddlers. We have combined them according to their features, quality, and ease of use. Check the description box below for more information. Also make sure to subscribe to Toddler's Mama and hit the bell icon for new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have wesprex Remote Control Dinosaur. This large multifunction remote control dinosaur features walking, roaring sound, music, glowing eyes, shaking head. This remote control dinosaur toy features walking, roaring music, glowing eyes, shaking head, etc. This remote control dino toy is made of non-toxic high-quality ABS plastics, meet US toy standard. Also ASTM safety test approved. This dinosaur is battery powered and requires 3 AA batteries. This RC dinosaur measures 17 length x 11.5 height. At number 6 we have Click Remote Control Dinosaur. The super fun, highly intelligent, interactive remote control dinosaur robot with a variety of cool features control the dinosaur RCT into combat position and then press fire. And he will launch mini foam rockets from his back at incredible speed. The robot can breath fire from its mouth. You can refill the water storage when necessary. It also can talk, walk, fires, and even dances. When finished firing all his ammo, collect them and pop them back in the chamber for more action. The RC dinosaur is programmable so you can wow your friends and family as he interacts and fires on his own. This RC robot requires 4x AA batteries, 2 for the robot and 2 for the remote, which are not included. At number 5 we have Fun Remote Control Dinosaur. The walking dinosaur toys features realistic movie details like skin texture, vivid color, natural shape, realistic scales, horns, teeth, and signature stripe. The dinosaur is extra large size, 21.6 x 13.7 x 18.5. The dinosaur toy is safe for toddlers and made of sturdy ABS plastic. The dinosaur figure's head is soft, durable, and nice to the touch. Toddlers will be enthused to receive this attractive electric dinosaur toy as a gift for any occasion and certain to be your child's most loved realistic model of dinosaur toy. It creates fun for all ages. At number 4 we have Kitty Remote Control Dinosaur. This remote control dragon toy's authentic roaring sounds, light up eyes, and great walking action dinosaur toys for toddlers 3 to 5. Its on/off function is easy to control. Toddlers can play easily and feel real skin on the neck. The dragon dimensions is 18.5 inches length by 11 inches height. At number 3 we have Fun Remote Control Dinosaur. You can bring this lifelike remote control dinosaur toy to life. It featuring realistic details, roar, and sachet movement effects. The toy dinosaur figure for toddlers makes the perfect model for learning. It gives the toddlers all the roars and action of the real Spinosaurus. It featuring flexible lifelike skin on the upper body for a simulation look and soft touch feel. It is built-in speaker with roaring sound effects. The full motion legs allow the dinosaur figure to walk on the floor. In addition, this RC Spinosaurus can spray mist if filled with water in the water inlet. Toddlers will be enthused to receive this attractive electric dinosaur toy as a gift for any occasion and certain to be your child's most loved realistic model of dinosaur toy. At number 2 we have Steam Remote Control Dinosaur. This light-up dinosaur toys for toddlers 3 to 5 is equipped with LED light, which will bring endless fun for your little ones and draw their attention for lessening the screen time. Moreover, the Trex dinosaur toy can roar and walk, which mimics the real dinosaur when pressing the remote control dinosaur controller. This robot dinosaur is a fun dino toys for learning and practicing hand-eye coordination. The dinosaur toy for toddlers can walk and go wherever your child commands. This large dinosaur toy provides your child with ample opportunity to explore their imagination. Dinosaur for boys 4 to 7 is made of safe, non-toxic materials for your child to enjoy and so parents to feel at ease. At number 1 we have Clogged Remote Control Dinosaur. The dinosaur toys for boys and girls is made from eco-friendly recyclable ABS material for your kids. It's control your dinosaur with his fossil remote control. The controller has 2 large buttons to help command the beast. You can press the skull of the fossil to control the head and the feet bones to control leg movement. The remote control allows toddlers to control the movements of the dinosaur with 2 easy-to-use buttons. It helps to develop toddlers' intellectual and hands-on skill. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best remote control dinosaurs for your need.